Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel WA Reviews. Today we're checking out a seriously powerful portable party machine, the XDOBO Speaker BMTL 1992. This thing claims 100 watts of output, deep subwoofer bass, IPX6 waterproofing, LED lights, long battery, and TWS pairing. So, is it actually worth the hype? Let's unbox it and find out. All right, let's see what we get inside the box. Right on top, we get the speaker itself, wrapped securely in foam. Underneath, we have a Type-C fast charging cable, a 3.5mm aux cable, a user manual, and finally, a strap or handle for easy carrying. And here it is, the XDOBO Metro 1992. First thing you notice, it's solid, modern, and definitely built to be heard and seen. The design looks rugged with a premium matte finish. It comes with IPX6 waterproofing, so splashes, rain, or poolside fun, no problem. The LED flashing lights on the front add that party vibe, and they actually sync with the music. It feels like a speaker you can take anywhere: beach, camping, backyard BBQs, or even use indoors as a mini home theater. Pairing is super easy with Bluetooth. Just open Bluetooth settings and pair with your device. Another cool feature is TWS pairing. You can connect two Metro 1992 speakers for a true left-right stereo experience, perfect for large gatherings or building a temporary home theater setup. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, sound quality. The Metro 1992 packs a heavy 100-watt output, tuned with a subwoofer-style low end. Frequency range, a full 20 Hz to 20 kHz. You get strong bass, crisp mids, and surprisingly good highs. All right, let's do a quick sound test. Listen with good headphones if you can. That's loud, and the bass hits hard. This is definitely built for parties and outdoor use. You've got two power options. Run it on its internal long-life battery or plug it in with the DC adapter for unlimited playback. It also charges with Type-C fast charging, which is great for modern portability. This speaker fits a lot of situations: outdoor gatherings, picnics, BBQs, camping and travel, home theater boost, Bluetooth music for daily use. If you want big sound in a portable size, This checks all the boxes. Pros and cons. Pros: 100-watt powerful output, strong bass performance, waterproof IPX6, LED party lights, TWS stereo pairing, long battery life plus DC power, modern Type-C charging, rugged and portable design. Cons: a bit heavy, but expected for the power. LED lights may not appeal to everyone. HDMI only on some versions. So, is the XDOBO BMTL Metro 1992 worth buying? If you're looking for a high-power speaker with booming bass, good durability, and party-ready features, this one delivers seriously good value. I'd say it's a great choice for anyone who wants big, immersive sound anywhere. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this unboxing and review, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what speaker I should review next. Buying link is in the description below. See you in the next video.